Kumja ing lising amaga chamapan humfutara mangagi ngasigi nubit. June 15 emergency thamkiba adu ningsingduna state ki thakta ngasi Sambidhan Hatya Divas ki thorok pangthokre. Art and Culture Department sinduna Palace Compound leiba Manipur State Film Development Society MSF DS ke Palace Auditorium da pangthokkiba thoram aduda Manipur Lenga ki Additional Chief Secretary Finance Vivek Kumar Dewaganna Chief Guest oina sawyakhe. Lenga ki makok thongba official sing amadi tungan section gi miyoi kyana saruk yakiba thoram aduda democracy amadi patriotism da yumfam oiba short film amasu utkhe. Loinana matam adugi emergency lengakna atamnana chaitheng phanghankraba laishram jatra kauba ahal amana haktheng narakpa sing adu miyam da paudamduna wangangkhe. Thoram aduga mari lainana Additional Chief Secretary Finance Vivek Kumar Dewaganna hai emergency matam aduda miyamgi fundamental rights khungawnabata natana press ki freedom da fawba chawmi singnakhibane. Kumja inglising amaga chamapan hufutara mangagi June 15 dagi tha 12 rom thamkiba emergency gi matam adu leibak asigi democracy da amamba matam ama oikibane. Emergency gi matam da awa chaitheng phangkiba sing amadi makhoina leibak asigi constitution amadi democracy ngak senaba honabada kathokkiba sing adu ningsingba oina June 15 gi numit ase Sambidhan Hatya Divas haina pangthoknaba mamang chahigi July 13 da Ministry of Home Affairs na notification thokibane. Handak chahigi oina ngasi pangthokliba thoram asina emergency thamkiba chahi yankhai shubagi thoramne. Sambidhan Hatya Divas ki thoram ase ngasi dagi horaga chahi amachupna Ministry of Culture na silaga pangthokane. Numit asina lakpada miyamna leibak asigi fajakraba constitution ase ngaktuna miyamgi civil liberty amati ning tambak ngak senduna thamnaba honaminase. Emergency ki thorok adu amuk hana halaktanaba kumna makna leminase haina mahakna makha takhe.
Today's occasion is not merely for remembrance but also for deep reflection and renewed commitment to democratic values and constitutional morality. The observation of Sambidhan Hatya Divas is not about opening old wounds but to learn from the history, reminding ourselves of the fragilities that had undermined our constitution and ensuring that such a dark period is not repeated again. Let us remind ourselves that as citizens of this great nation, we all have a responsibility to protect our constitution and safeguard our civil liberties and freedom. Let us pledge to uphold freedom and rule of law and defend our democratic values and ideals. Jai Manipur, Jai Hind.